Hello everyone. In the previous video, we created 2 more tiers and we did some basic annotation. However, we didn't create any hierarchies among our tiers. Obviously, there is a relationship between our tiers because the second and the third tiers are related to the very first tier, which is the sign tier. Okay, in order to show these kind of hierarchies, we need to create a first tier type before creating our tiers. Okay, now I will show you how to create tiers with hierarchical relationships. In order to do that, first I will delete the tiers, the second and the third tier that I already created. And then I will show you from scratch how to create tiers with hierarchies. Okay, first I go to tiers, delete tiers, delete left-hand tiers, delete right-hand tiers. And then now I want to create tiers with hierarchies. And I want my left-hand tier and the right-hand tier to be the child tiers of the sign tier. Okay, for this, I go to type, add new tier type. Okay, I need to choose a type name. So I will be creating types for each of my tiers, and I want them to have the same name to be able to match them easily. So this will be left-hand type, and as stereotype, I will be choosing now included in, but I will talk about the other options in the upcoming video. And then I will simply click on add, okay? And then I will do the same thing for right hand. I just change the name of the type, right hand, and the rest stays the same. I go to add, and I do close. What I could do is also to create one general type because both tiers have the same content. So I can also create one type and use that type for both left-hand tier and the right-hand tier. But for the sake of clarity, I created 2 types right now. Now, the next step is to add my tiers. Go to tiers, add new tiers. Now I will create the tiers as I did in the previous videos. Tier name left-hand, participant initials, annotator name. And now, as the parent tier, I should choose sign, okay? And then this is the tier type, left-hand, tier type and tier name matching. This is a good sign, and I do just add. And I will do the same thing for the right-hand tier. Okay, right-hand tier, initials of the participant, name of the annotator, parent tier, sign, tier type, right-hand, and I do add, and I do close. Now, when I, for example, click on left-hand, it automatically highlights my selection. In the next video, I will show you the other options for the stereotypes in the tier type.